You cleaning for Mama? Clean the couch, Harper. Show Daddy and Brother how you clean.
You cleaning? You cleaning up? Clean up, clean up. Good job, honeys.
Clean, clean, clean.
Clean, clean, clean. Wow, look at Harper go. She's just like her mama. Just like her mama.
Thank you, Harper. Yay, it looks so good. Are you going to clean up more? Clean. Wow, thank you. What else are you going to clean?
Monster truck.
You clean the floor?
Okay, Daddy's going to measure this. Oops. Cleaning the floor too, Harper girl?
Can you clean the floor?
Come here. I'm going to go measure upstairs. You want to go with me? You want to do this with me?
Thank you, Harper. It looks good. All right. All right, Harper. Harper, can you blow me a kiss? Harper, can you blow Mama a kiss?